Have you ever stayed in an unusual rental? Skip the boring hotel room and stay in one of these unusual spaces, because you can get an extraordinary experience to your life with unforgettable memories. Let's see what are the most unusual rentals in the world in this video. Number 5. Known as Grahall Estate, this castle for 15 sits atop Vermont's Hawks Mountain on 300 acres of untouched land with view of the surrounding Green Mountains. This majestic home draws inspiration from an iconic castle on a loch and sits atop Hawks Mountain. It was built with stunning glimmerstone granite indigenous to the area and quarried directly from the property. Featuring 7 bedrooms and 5 baths, Grahall has had a successful track record as a corporate retreat and rental property. Number 4. Bryant Barn. Located in Walla, Washington. This home boasts an oversized wine barrel fitted with a double bed. The home has space, sleeps 6 total. It has a private pool with a golfing area and a huge backyard. The average cost per night is $257. Number 3. Retrofitted 727. This 2-bedroom retrofitted 727 sits on the edge between the jungle and the Pacific Ocean in Costa Rica. The interior has been fully outfitted and meticulously detailed to include 2 air-conditioned bedrooms, each with its own private bath, a kitchenette, dining area, ocean view terrace, a private entrance up a river rock staircase, and 360-degree views of surrounding gardens. The interior of the plane is paneled in locally sourced teak and the jet sits perched on a custom-built platform for sweeping views. Monkeys, sloths and various other jungle animals are the entertainment. Short walk to the beach below. An average amount of cost per night is $360. Number 2. This Austin, Texas home, known as the Bloomhouse, is without a single straight line or corner. Designed back in the 1970s by 2 UT architecture students, it was created as an escape from society and as a monument to the coexistence of man and nature. After a painstaking restoration, the property is once again habitable and is yours to explore. You can experience this place such as an average price of $730 per night. Number 1. The Pole House. You will find this luxurious outpost in Surf Coast, Australia. Architect Frank Dixon gets the credit for this extraordinary escape, a well-loved landmark in this part of the world. It is indeed a glass-walled temple to the sea towering over the ocean with only sky above. The size of the house is 689 square feet. It has only 1 bedroom and a 1 bathroom. The average price per night is $597. However, this place is not allowed for kids and pets.